Hey guys. Well, we're gonna do our reaction to this video. I don't even.
I don't know.
How do you even explain this?
Lonely.
Lonely?
Alright, so we're just gonna play the video, so.
Hey guys, I thought I would show you guys the bloopers of my latest video. What is wrong with my cat? Hold on.
Okay, random. She's
I'm
like,
sorry, but like.
okay.
Oh.
I don't get what the random laughing's for.
Oh my god.
I mean, the cat looks.
That cat needs a better home. This is the kind of cat that would be on, like, your cat's been abused commercials.
Yeah, like the
She just
Arms
looks.
of the Angel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pine Bars. This cat really should just be the reaction of this video. It's basically.
Okay, that's good.
That's quite enough.
So, what's going on now? What are we gonna do now? Oh, I can do the reaction. The reenactment.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna reenact the video and just act it out for you guys, and yeah. This is my cat, Pee-wee. Huh? Sit down, Pee-wee. So, these are the bloopers from my recent video. So, here they go. That is a good one. Oh God! All right, here. Let's do some voices here. Zoom up on her face. See what she thinks of this. I will eat your babies. I don't even know what that means. I will murder your whole family. Oh, look at her. She's like, what the hell is going on here?